friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a school building. Yay! Do you love your school?
Yay!
Let's draw one together step by step.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a big triangle on top for the roof. Now, under the triangle, draw a long rectangle. That makes the roof complete. On top of the roof, let's add a small rectangle chimney. Now, under the roof, draw a big rectangle. This will be our main school building. In the middle of the rectangle, let's draw a tall rectangle door. Right above the door, draw a circle window. It looks super nice, doesn't it? Now, on the left side of the door, let's draw a square window. On the right side of the door, draw a long rectangle. Inside this rectangle, let's write the word school in big, bold letters. Under the word school, let's draw 2 rectangle windows. Perfect! Now let's draw a long rectangle base. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outlines bold and sharp to make the artwork really pop. Awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. We will use rainbow colors. Let's do it together. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Well done, friends! You just learned how to draw and color a beautiful school building using rainbow colors. Don't forget to show your drawing to your family and friends. If you had fun, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and come back for more fun drawings. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.